Welcome back, investors. We have another big runner to talk about today. This one is actually up. It was up about 567% gains at one point in 2021. And then now it's still at gains of about 350% or so for the past 2 months in 2021. Now the ticker symbol is going to be CHEK, CheckCap Ltd. Now if you guys want to catch plays like this, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of this video and smash that like button for me. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 4 biotech companies that are turning heads right now. So let's dive on in and check them on out, guys. The first biotech company we'll talk about today is going to be Diffusion Pharmaceuticals Inc. So one biotech penny stock you may have heard about is Diffusion Pharmaceuticals Inc. Diffusion Pharmaceuticals has been studying trans-sodium concentrate TSC to treat the Rona-related acute respiratory distress syndrome and organ failure. ARDS is often recognized in the Ronavirus patients because of the lack of oxygen to the lungs caused by the virus. The trials are for evaluating the tolerability of TSC when given every 6 hours for up to 15 days. It completed its dosing and reported its top-line results last month. The results showed that no dose-limiting toxicities or serious events occurred. Now, this is great news, guys. Much of the attention this week has centered around Diffusion's latest earnings report. Diffusion had $18.5 million in cash and cash equivalents as of December 31st, 2020. The biotech company also gained an additional $36.7 million in aggregate gross proceeds as of this past Tuesday, which came from a common stock offering in February, as well as the cash exercise of outstanding warrants. So this is great, guys. We love when companies have cash on hand because that means they have more money to put towards drugs or products or whatever they're trying to produce, which is good. The more money that they have on hand, the better products they're potentially going to have with their studies. President and CEO of Diffusion said the momentum we gained exiting 2020 has continued into 2021. We have completed the study of TSC in hospitalized Rona patients, designed a series of 3 clinical trials to be conducted during 2021 to evaluate the effects of TSC on oxygenation, and secure the company's financial position by completing our $34.5 million equity raise, which is a huge amount, guys. So ticker symbol DFFN. This one was trading at around 0.93 cents negative, so about a 1% down today. If we take a look at this one, at the end of the year, it was trading around 80 cents per share, went to highs up here of about $1.85, so made over 100% gains in about a month and a half. Then we saw it pull back down with the Nasdaq and the rest of the market as that weighed in on the market and overall. Went down to lows down here of about 78 cents, which was previous support level pretty much that we had in the past here in 2020. Now volume was actually pretty decent here. It was continuing to run up. We had 73 million shares, then we had right here over 100 million shares, and then obviously as the sell-off started to go, volume started to dissipate. And now we're trading around 2 to 3, sometimes 5 million shares depending on the day. Now, analysts have this one short-term bullish, mid-term neutral, and then long-term bullish. So this one I'm going to give a price target of $2 per share for 2021. That gives it about 100% gains for the rest of the year. That's going to be my personal price target. You guys let me know in the comments below what price targets are you guys setting for this one. As always, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you for the support, so go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 250 likes in the first 24 hours of this video being up. Also, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. If you guys want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued at up to $1,800, links are going to be in the description. Leave a comment below what penny stocks you're watching right now, and let's get into the rest of the countdown. The second biotech company is going to be CheckCap Ltd, which is the one we talked about at the beginning of the video that was up over 500% at one point in 2021. So this is going to be the big winner so far of 2021. So CheckCap is a biotech company that is currently developing C-Scan. C-Scan is the first and only patient-friendly preparation-free screening test to detect polyps before they may transform into colorectal cancer. Since the start of the year, CHEK stock has been one worth watching. Shares have climbed from 40 cents to December 31st to highs of about $4.40 this month. Even after pulling back over the past few days, CHEK is still trading at over 460% higher than it began the year. Now this week, CheckCap made another significant advancement. The company announced that it received FDA IDE approval for the pivotal study of C-Scan. This will allow the company to begin the pivotal study for people at average risk of CRC and are a poor candidate for a colonoscopy with an incomplete optical colonoscopy. Now the CEO of the corporation, LXRX, stated the IDE approval is a significant milestone for CheckCap. Now, with IED in hand, we aim to enter the last phase of demonstrating the clinical potential of C-Scan in the U.S., with the ultimate goal of commercialization in this important market. It's also worth mentioning that the analysts at H.C. Wainwright lifted their price target on CHEK stock. The firm increased its $1.50 target to $4 per share. H.C. Wainwright currently maintains a buy rating on the penny stocks as well. So this one, ticker symbol CHEK, it was actually down about 10% today, but obviously the market did pull back down today, which was, pretty bad news. And like we said, look at this one right here. End of the year, it was trading around 40 cents per share. And then we see here, just this week, the stock was trading at around $4.49. That actually gives it over 1,000% gains right there. We didn't even mention that in the beginning of the video that it was actually up about 1,000% right there from that high. So 1,000% gainer in about 2 months. We saw volume right here, huge volume, 356 million shares, and then we saw last 2 or 3 days ago traded 418 million shares. It was trading at around $4.50, and then it pulled back down all the way to about 227. And then today, obviously, it went down to about $2 after actually to the previous resistance area that we see right here. And now it's going toward that support area. If the market is still red and it continues to trend on down, hopefully it doesn't go past that $1.50 area. If it does, it will continue to go lower, potentially down to about $1 before it hits the next support level. So short-term, mid-term, long-term, analysts have this one on very, very bullish, which is a good sign for us. Now, we see these huge pops on this stock, so there's very high potential in this one. I'm personally going to give CHEK Capital, about a $5 price target for 2021. I mean, we did see it reach $4.50 this week, so it definitely has the potential to get to up to $5, even in the $6 range, which would give it about 150, possibly even 200% gains for the rest of 2021, especially if we continue to have some positive data coming out in the near future. That will definitely boost the price on this penny stock and continue to run up. So definitely one to keep on your watch list, as it has a lot of momentum going on right now. And if we have some more green days in the market, it could continue to pop on higher. The third biotech company on our list is going to be InspireMD. So this one has seen huge improvement in the last 6 months. InspireMD is a biotech company developing and working to commercialize its micronet stent platform technology. This is designed to treat vascular and coronary diseases through its CGuard carotid embolic prevention system for use in carotid artery applications. Its MGuard Prime embolic system is also used in patients with acute coronary syndromes. This month's attention has focused on the company after it released its fourth quarter and full year financial results. While its revenue decreased, its cash position greatly improved after an $11.5 million public offering in mid-2020 and the recent underwritten public offering in February. Since the results were released, this biotech penny stock has gone from about 76 cents to over 80 cents a share this week. So about a 4 cents gain right there. Now, traders may be focusing on the company's clinical trials for its CGuard carotid stent system in the U.S. back in February. InspireMD engaged heart clinical consultants. They are a contract research organization and will conduct the trial. This is the first U.S.-based study of CGuard and could demonstrate its potential to prevent stroke caused by carotid artery disease. Now, the market awaits any further updates on this. We need some positive news. That way, this stock can continue to pop on higher. Ticker symbol NSPR. This one was down about 4% today on a huge red day in the market, obviously. So 4% is actually not that bad compared to some of the other stocks. This one at the end of the year of 2020 was trading around 34 cents. It went to highs up here about $1.48. So that is a pretty nice gain right there of over 300% or so. Short-term bullish, mid-term neutral, and then long-term we have it bullish, trading at around 79 cents, obviously, like we said. It went from highs up here 148 all the way to lows of about 58 cents, so lost over 50% of its value right there as the tech sector pulled down the whole market. Then we bounced off of this support level right here that we saw, from previous areas, which is a good sign. So support seems to be around the 70 cents, 75 cents area. Hopefully we bounce off of that in the future and not continue to go down. If we continue to go down in the future, we'll hit that 50 cents area before, continuing to fall down like a falling knife before we hit another support level. So volume was, pretty high here in February at around 135 million shares, but it's been tapering off. We're only trading between, 5 and 20 million shares right now every single day, depending on the day. Some days are higher and some days are lower. So with this one, we're going to give it a price target of $2.25, which gives it over about 200% profit, or around the 200% range. So $2.25 is going to be our price target for the rest of 2021 on NSPR. And last but not least, the fourth biotech penny stock on our list is going to be Novan Inc. This is definitely one we've talked about many times. This one right here provides nitric oxide-based therapies to treat dermatological and oncovirus mediated diseases. On February 25th, we received the latest update from Novan and financial results and a corporate update. The company stated that its B Simple 4 pivotal phase 3 trial evaluating SB206 as a treatment for molluscum contagiosum progress, in top line efficacy results would target before the second quarter of 2021. It has completed enrollment for this now. The company then presented at the H.C. Wainwright Global Life Science Conference. This rise up for Novan stock started when the new year began. Yet Novan stock most significant gain was from about February 2nd to February 12th. In that period, the biotech penny stock went from about $1.16 to highs of $2.59, which is over 100% gain right there in a matter of 10 days. While there was a pullback along with the general market, like we stated earlier, NOVN stock has remained in its overall uptrend since the start of 2021. In fact, over the last few weeks, shares have climbed roughly by about 20%, which is a good sign, guys. But ticker symbol NOVN, it was down about 7.5% today. Once again, as the market generally pulled back down, all these penny stocks pulled back down as well. There were some rare, occasions where it didn't. Short term, mid term, long term, analysts are very bullish on this penny stock right here, which is a beautiful thing to see. We see here at the end of 2020, traded around 66 cents, went here to highs of about $2.59, so over 200% gains right there. Pulled back down as the general market pulled back down. Hit down here all the way to lows of about $1.12, which was actually a support level that we see here and a resistance level in the past here in around July time period, August time period that we saw. So previous resistance levels become new support levels, which is a beautiful thing to see in the future because that means right there we build up the support level and bounce off of it, which is nice. So if we ever get to that level in the future, that $1 level should be a nice bounce for us to continue our trend on map up. Now we see here it bounced to that $1.12 area and then continued to squeeze all the way up to about $1.82, and then we pulled back today. Volume very low, between 1 and 5 million shares traded pretty much every single day. Now with this one, NOVN, Novan Inc., we're going to give this one a price target of $3 per share for 2021, which gives it about 100% upside for the rest of the year, which is a great, 2x right there that you can make with potential. So obviously we're going to be looking for more studies and more results for them to come out throughout the rest of the year. Hopefully they have new things coming out in the pipeline, which will be a great thing for investors as we can, capitalize on those gains. So definitely about a $3 price target on Novan Inc. Let me know in the comments below what do you guys think about this one as well. Now, as always, guys, none of this is going to be financial advice. This is all for educational purposes. These are just 4 biotech penny stocks that are turning heads right now. They just have some, momentum going on right now, some volume going on right now, and we're just discussing them. So before investing into any stocks, especially penny stocks, make sure you speak to your financial advisor. If you guys want to do some paper trading, go ahead and check out my link in the description for Webull. Sign up today, get your 2 free stocks valued at up to $1,800, and you can do some paper trading with fake money, get your feet wet, and learn how to trade first before investing into the real market. Now, as always, guys, I appreciate you guys' support, so go ahead and smash that like button. Let's aim for 250 plus likes on this video in the first 24 hours. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a comment below what penny stocks are you buying right now and what penny stocks are you watching. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.